Alright guys, Bearcat William Scully here, and today we're gonna do a startup and shutdown of my hair refrigerator. It's a mini refrigerator. This is my own personal refrigerator that has never been used over 3 months of no use. And the reason why is because I don't want to save make the electric bill get too high. Because the reason why it makes the electric bill get too high, because sometimes when the compressor kicks on, it dims, but almost all the time. But that's fine. I need to be very careful. Anyways, this is the refrigerator itself. So before we do a startup and shutdown, here's the front. Open the door, you pull it, just like that. Here's the thermostat. It's kind of off a little bit. Here's the freezer, evaporator coil, ice tray of all the water drops going down here. Store your drink, put your drinks in here. Shut that. Shut the door. And over there on the back, let me turn the light on real quick. Over there on the back, here's the sticker data sheet, model number, volume, how many volts, amps. As you can see, it pulls up 1.3 amps. Starts up at 4.5. High pressure, low side, R600A refrigerant. Here's the wire diagram. You can pause that if you want to see it. Serial number, R600A. Here's the warning for when you mess around with these kind of stuff. You have to be very careful because it's flammable. Here's all the words in Spanish and French. Here's the plug cord. This one uses a windshield rotary compressor. I don't know, it's a rotary compressor or a reciprocating compressor. If you know, please comment down below. And that way tell me what kind of compressor it uses. Capillary tube, and it goes into the evaporator. So there's nothing else on this side. Anyways, let's go ahead and that's all complete. Walk around on my refrigerator. Let's go ahead and do a startup of it, shall we? Let's plug it in real quick. I need to be very careful not to plug it in for very too long because I don't want to make the electric bill get too high. So, alright. There we go. It's plugged in. Let's open it up. And here we go. I don't know how well you can guys hear it. I think you can, but it started, but the compressor itself kicked on. It's kind of quiet too. You can hear the freon going through. Listen, you hear that? It's kind of cool, huh? Listen. You can hear the refrigerator rattle flowing a little bit better. Listen. Pretty cool, huh? Check the let's go ahead and check the evaporator real quick. Oh, listen to that. Let's open this part right here. That's coming out nice and cold. Oh yeah, feel it. Look at all the ice forming there. Oh yeah, listen to that. Some condensation coming on down right there. Oh yeah, this one has a full charge too. Everything is getting cold. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, let's go ahead and shut it down. Okay. Thermostat is set to off. And let's unplug it. You can hear the refrigerant going through a little bit. Alright. Well, that's kind of cool. Alright. Anyways, let's turn the light off real quick. And anyways, that includes the startup and shutdown of this high refrigerator. If you have enjoyed this video, please give me a second, about 2 seconds to hit subscribe, comment down below, and if you have enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I would love to appreciate your time, and please give me 2 seconds to hit subscribe, comment down below, and like the video. In case if your videos come in helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Again, I tell you one more time. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell so you don't miss out on all of your new videos. And if you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below. I will love to appreciate your time. And once again, this is Bearcat William Scully. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in my next video. This is Bearcat William Scully signing off. Peace.